Hello Dilla, I take this video for you. This is our premiere housing. Can you see the quality? The quality is very good, and the heating is very awesome. Can you see the quality? And it's here. It's portable and very easy to work. It has voice control. You can choose here. For example, it has 7 presetting mode and one customized mode. And this is elderly mode. For example, see, can you see the irradiance? It's very high, very powerful. Fitness, pause, and fitness, fast boarding, muscle recovery, inflammation, skincare, sleep, and also you can DIY your own here. Use this to touch the time. Pause. This is the DIY, and also you can, it's very intelligent. You can always control. For example, I show you. Hi, Bimo.
Yes, I'm here.
Turn on the light.
Okay.
Run fitness mode.
Okay, fitness mode is on.
Run fast body mode.
Okay, fat burning mode is on.
Run muscle recovery mode.
Okay, muscle recovery mode is on.
Run inflammation mode.
Okay, inflammation mode is on.
Run sleep optimization mode.
Okay, setup mode is on.
Run elderly mode. Run elderly health mode.
Okay, elderly health mode is on.
Run setup mode.
Okay, setup mode is on.
Volume up.
Okay.
Volume up.
Okay.
Volume down.
Okay.
Volume down.
Okay.
Turn off the light.
Goodbye.
See? Can you see it's very intelligent? So it's also a very decent and lovely gift for your loved one.